Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Your phone is charged, connected to Wi-Fi or to a PC via USB, and you know the cloud account used for backups. Next, check for local backups. An SD card or a desktop image can save you time. If you plan to use advanced tools, enable developer options and USB debugging. This allows direct file access. Once done, sign into the same cloud account and make sure you have any needed credentials ready. This prevents lockouts later. You now run the recovery sequence. First, try the built-in restore path in Settings, System, Backup, Restore, since it's fastest and preserves metadata. If that fails, connect to a PC and run reputable recovery software. Follow prompts exactly and keep the device awake and connected. The software will scan partitions and present recoverable files, selectively restore contacts, photos, and app data. Make sure to export recovered items to a separate drive. This prevents accidental overwrites and gives you a verify before commit step. You finish by verifying that critical data, contacts, messages, photos, and app sync, are intact and current. Check timestamps and open a sample file. If items are missing, retry a second scan or a different recovery tool and make sure the device wasn't encrypted in a way that blocks recovery. If nothing works, contact the phone maker with ownership proof. They can suggest authorized recovery. Finally, set up automatic cloud backups and periodic local exports. This prevents repeat emergencies and saves hours next time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.